The Mobile World Congress 2018 has kick-started, and we have some of the first set of announcements flowing in. After series of leaks and rumors, LG has introduced the successor to its V30 flagship smartphone. Called LG V30S ThinQ, the smartphone boasts OLED display, 6GB of RAM, and dual cameras as its highlights. ThinQ is the company's AI technology which was first introduced at CES 2018. It identifies all of LG's home appliances, consumer electronics, and services, which utilize artificial intelligence. In the V30S, the AI-based technology enhances the camera capabilities and voice recognition through Vision AI and Voice AI. The smartphone is available in two new color choices, Moroccan blue and platinum gray. Touted as thinnest and lightest in the category of big screen smartphones, the LG V30S ThinQ measures 7.3 mm in thinness and weighs 158 grams. It is equipped with a 6.0-inch OLED FullVision display, with 18:9 aspect ratio offering a QuadHD plus resolution 2880x1440/538 ppi. What might come as a disappointment to a lot of consumers is the use of the older Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 SoC, with 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. There is another variant, LG V30S Plus, which includes 6GB of RAM with 256GB of default storage. Both the variants support storage expansion up to 2 TB. The camera is one of the upgrades to the LG V30 successor. There is a dual camera setup at the back, with a combination of 16-megapixel standard angle f/1.6 aperture sensor, and a 13-megapixel wide-angle f/1.9 aperture sensor, with 120-degree field of view. Up front, there's a 5-megapixel wide-angle camera with f/2.2, and 90-degree field of view. What makes the camera setup different is the integration of Vision AI. That includes 3 camera features including AI Cam, Q Lens, and Bright Mode. AI Cam automates and enhances the camera output by analyzing the subject and recommending optimal shooting mode. Q Lens uses image recognition capabilities to scan QR codes for an improved shopping experience, while the Bright Mode is aimed at improving low-light shots. On the software front, the smartphone runs Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. It is fueled by a 3300 mAh battery. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 800 2.11, B, G, N, AC, Bluetooth 5.0, BLE, NFC, and USB Type-C 2.0. Other features include Voice AI, which allows users to run apps and change settings using voice commands. The Voice AI works alongside the Google Assistant. The LG V30S ThinQ further includes IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, 32-bit Hi-Fi QuadHD audio support, face recognition, fingerprint sensor, and supports wireless charging.